So hey guys, we are gonna start second lecture of robotics. So this is an IR sensor and we are gonna connect its out pin on second number ground to ground, and here one more new pin is added which is VCC. So these are the connections for the simple IR sensor. Now we will go on coding. So, guys, before moving on to the code, so this is the whole diagram of uh, IR sensor, and uh, these are the connection. We have connected second number pin on out, ground to ground, and VCC to VCC. So this is how the IR sensor works. Now it is time for code. So in code, first we have written void setup as usual. After that, we have entered curly brace. In curly brace, we have written serial.begin 9600, which is a code for starting any sensor. After that, we have written pin mode, which is very necessary, which is 2 comma input. We have written input here as it is giving us an value, and we need to enter the value in the sensor. After that, we have written its loop, in which we have written int data is equals to digital read 2. So this is a variable which we defined. The variable which we defined here is data. After that, excuse me. After that, we have written serial dot print ln data. This will help us to print the value. So guys, as you can see, first we need to open the serial monitor over here. So for seeing the value, first you need to put a thing on IR sensor so you can get a value of 0. But when you will remove the IR sensor, so you will get a value of 1. Now again put a thing on IR sensor and remove it, you can see the constant change in value. So this is how it works. Now it's time for glowing an LED with IR sensor. So guys, because of this, there will be a little change. So for glowing LED, first we need to remove the serial dot println. After that, we need to write if else condition. So here we will be writing if it should not be capital. After that, we will enter bracket. In the brackets, we will be writing if um data double is equals to 0. So after that, we will enter a curly brace. In curly brace, we will be writing digital write 3 comma high. After this, we will be entering the pin mode. So the pin mode for LED is 3. So we will be writing 3 comma output comma output. After the output statement, we need to enter the else statement, which will help the LED to glow. So the else statement will be like this. First, we need to write else, and then we need to write the opposite statement. So, like we have written digital write 3 comma high. So in else, we need to write digital write 3 comma low. So if the if condition is not true, so the else condition would be applied. This is how it works. Guys, this is the final result of our project. So when you will keep an LED, a card on the IR sensor or your hand or any object, so the LED will glow. But when you will remove your hand, so the LED will stop glowing. So this is our project.